In this video, I'll show you how you can fix an error occurred while starting Roblox. Now the first thing that you want to try is you want to open up a browser, come up here and delete browsing data. In there you want to make sure that you choose all time and you select all the boxes and you delete everything. Now keep in mind this is gonna remove your saved passwords and stuff, so make sure that you remember them. Once you've done that, come back here, search for run, type in %local app data % and press OK. In here you should have a Roblox folder. You're gonna delete this folder, and don't worry, it's gonna regenerate itself, but we wanna delete this one. And once you've deleted that one, you wanna search for Roblox download on Google. Come here, download. And then what you wanna do with the download one, you wanna have it. So let's just open it here. And in here, what you want to do is you want to right click on it and you want to run it as an administrator. So don't run it normally, go to the installer and run it as an administrator. Once you've done that, it should now hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton.